Bandits Early Bird Special for Friday, March 26th. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Hey Bandit, did you hear? Hear what people are saying? I don't know, it's what people are saying all the time. Wanna make a Bandit the #1 ranked Early Bird Special Pro Sports Capper in the world. It's what people are saying all the time. I don't know, it's just what they say. Major League Baseball Early Bird Special. Detroit versus Pittsburgh. Bandits playing Pittsburgh. -125 on the money line. Pittsburgh -125. Early Bird Special. Wanna make a Bandit? King of the 1-minute videos. Making you money in 1 minute. Money maker out.